Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Today we are going to review our two gold expert advisors. One is Smart Gold Scalper and one is PFH, that is Perfect Hedge on Gold. So these two expert advisors are installed on our trial account, and we traded with Smart Gold Scalper earlier on real accounts also, and you can see the previous videos. However, there is significant difference in the change. So that is why I'm creating this video, just to want to make you sure that what is happening with these two gold expert advisors. So Smart Gold expert advisors, we stopped on 7th of November due to some obvious reasons, and that is why the updates has been stopped. Okay, and let me first recheck like whatever we have uh, got so far from July 7th till November 7th. Okay, we achieved 312.50% absolute gain. Okay, and the daily was around 1.09%, monthly was around 40.91%, and the drawdown was 15.52% at the max. We started with 100k. That is a recommended capital. You can trade it on site account also, but we recommend 100k or above to trade with this expert advisor, since this is scalping expert advisor and used to monetize small gold movements, and in very high volatile on spikes and maybe one side movements. If you are trading with a small capital, that will create a risk for your account. The minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 50,000 cents. However, we started with 100k, that is the recommended one, or even more than that would be helpful, just to keep the drawdown low in case of uncertain situations. So here we started with 100k. At the end of 4 months, we achieved our balance was grown up to 412.504.21, and the total profit we achieved was 312.504.21. Okay, so this is just a demonstration, and this is for educational purpose. Your account or broker may be different. Okay, so the profitability would be different, and in case if you are trading with a set account, then the profitability would be different. Okay, just because of spreads and slippage. So this is the growth graph in 4 months. This is the balance graph. It might take some time. Okay, so this is the balance graph, and this is the profit graph, and now this is the drawdown graph. It is taking a little time during weekend to load. Anyways, we will see this the drawdown graph later. You can see the drawdown graph here. Okay, and this month 4.16% till 7th of November till we traded. Okay, these are the statistics. Okay, and these were the running trades at that moment when the EA was deployed. Okay, so month wise what we achieved, we started it in July, it was 7.70%. In August we achieved 12.12%. In September we achieved almost 29.50, 29.48 to be precise. In October it's 153.29%, that is huge. And November till first week it was 4.15%. Okay, so you will find this link in the video description also, and while you would like to check the trades, you can go through this one history and you can check all the trades over here. Okay, and these were the open trades. And why we closed this account, that is for an obvious reason. So in this case, actually, since this was a trial account, as I mentioned a couple of times earlier in my videos also, if you can see in the history, account history, it's not showing anything, right? It's not showing anything, and I mean, we started on 7th of July, that is 100k, that's fine. On 7th of November, I mean sum from this to this. I don't know what does that mean, but it is not showing any kind of trade, previous trades, right? So you can see there are no previous trades. It is not showing any kind of previous trades. I'm clicking on all history. It is not showing any kind of previous trades. So in that case, probably that would be very difficult to show you that how the EA has been performing later on. Okay, so and we completed already 4 months, so that is a significant time already, and hence we stopped the EA, the auto trading one, and the last trade was on 7th of November itself, and after that uh, we did not started it. Okay, so this is the performance of Smart Gold Scalper in 4 months. So now let's jump to the other expert advisor, Perfect Hedge on Gold. It is not a new expert advisor. We traded on this expert advisor many times in our previous years. So I was thinking to compare it with Perfect Hedge on Gold. But unfortunately, the same thing happened with this one. However, we started lately on this one. We started it on 9th of October. So here from 9th, October 19, in fact, actually, and we traded it till November 7, the same date where we stopped that particular expert advisor Smart Gold Scalper, and the reason is the same. Okay, so let me just show you. So here we can see that we started it on 19th of October with 100k, that is there, but it is not showing any trade between 19th of October till 6th of November. It is only showing trade of the last day, that is 7th of November. And there is some from 1:15 to 9:11:15, 25, 46, 434. So it is not showing you the actual result, but we can easily determine it from here. If we just scroll it down, okay, so while we started with 100k, it is still showing uh, that we started with 146,432. Okay, and the final result, if you see, this is the final result on the day from October 19 till 7th of November. These were the running trades. 57,739.79 that we achieved in less than a month. In fact, that is more than 50%, almost 60% you can say, because here the result is showing up to 14th of November, because I realized it later, but we had to stop updating it here because it will be showing mismatched things, because as you can see, it was showing 146 was the deposit, right, and 11,000 was the profit. However, the actual is very different. The deposit was 100k, and we achieved more than 57% returns. So that is the reason actually we had to stop this expert advisor also. And since this was a trial account, so no worry. And since I was trying to create this video just for the demonstration purpose and to compare both the expert advisor, so I had to stop this. But anyways, this was the reason that we had to stop both the expert advisors on the VPS, just because of this reason. Maybe just because of this trial account, and it is not showing the actual result. But as I have just demonstrated that how this EA also has performed, like for 3 weeks, you can say, from November 7, or maybe less than 3 weeks, in fact. Okay, so we achieved more than 50% of that. This perfect hedge expert advisor is said to be a perfect hedge. However, it uses scalping as well as trend trading, and used to take the counter trades also in the reverse direction as and when needed, and it used to employ the hedging technique also as and when it needed based on the market situations. So this is the review of both the expert advisors. Please mention in the comments that which expert advisor you think that is a better one. And with the same thing, you can see it over here. Today or this week there is nothing. This month 2.37%, total 46.38%. These are the statistics, and I will be providing you the link of this expert advisor also in the video description. Okay, so in October we started, so 42.98%, and in November till first week till 7th, right, it was 2.37%. However, if we can uh, see its data till 14th of November, it was 157,739. That is 57,739.79 uh, gain. Actually, that is almost 58% gain in less than a month. That is approximately 3 or maybe less than 3 weeks, because we will be completing uh, 4 weeks, that is almost a month, on 19th of November. However, the data that was showing over there, that is up to 7th of November, and here is the updated data. However, we had to stop this expert advisor also, uh, but I deployed it in this account just to show you the comparison. However, I actually failed in showing you the comparison just because of these reasons. So just wanted to update you so that you can be aware, because these two expert advisors link are also in the Myfxbook page. And if you think that why the data has not been updated, so this is the reason. That is what I would like to accept and want to make you aware about. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So this is about perfect hedge, and the earlier review was on smart gold scalper. Just mention in the comment that which expert advisor do you think is a better one to trade in this dynamic forex market. So that's pretty much it. In case if you have any query, feel free to contact me on email or telegram. I have mentioned my email and telegram both in the video description, so feel free to contact me if you have any query. Thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Talk to you soon. Bye.